record on this computer. Okay. Oh, did I say 20? Sorry, 20. 20. Oh, yes. Well spotted. Yeah, this one's a bit easier to go through with the boarding per calibration. Okay, so expand and simplify. And it's saying on here that it's worth 2 marks. I think on your paper it's only worth 1, isn't it? Yeah. So it's changed on this one for some reason. I don't know why, because it is a 2-mark question traditionally. So most people would have got 1 mark on this if they'd have been allowed 2 marks. But anyway, we need to get 4 marks on a question like this if we're to be confident. So what do I do first? The expanding or the simplifying? Expand. You can't do the simplifying to begin with, to be fair, because there's nothing to collect together because you've got all stuff locked in brackets. So I'm going to write it out in nice and big because that's way too small to do all my working out here. Okay. So first thing, what does the number outside mean I do to everything in the bracket? Times, yeah. So I need to times by that and times by that. And then times by this, and times by this. So 2 times m is 2m. What's 2 times minus 3? Minus 6. And then I've got plus 3m. Plus what? 12. 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, so if it was playing for the 2 marks, this would be the first mark. But now I need to simplify it because it's expanded. It needs to be simplified. So let's put all of my letters in bubbles, including the signs in front of them. So how many m's are there in total? 5 m's. And then let's deal with the numbers now. So now I've got minus 6 plus 12. This is what confused quite a few people. A lot of people for this were putting minus 6 as the final answer. What's the answer? What's minus 6 plus 12? It's plus 6, isn't it? If you're not sure with that, minus 6 plus 12, the easiest way to think about it is the same. It's the same as 12 minus 6. You can write it the other way around if you want to. You can even leave the plus sign in front of the 12 if you wish. It means the same thing. If you really struggle with negative numbers, I know some people do. There's nothing wrong with that. It's the way that some people's maybe experience with maths is not so great when it comes to negative numbers. You can start on minus 6 down the bottom here, and then you just need to add 12 onto it. So 0 is an important one. So I can use in this loop diagram. How far did I travel to get from minus 6 to 0? How far did I go? 6. And I needed 12, so I need another 6. So let's put the other 6 on, and then you could see 0 plus 6 would be my 6, which is what I want. Okay, that always works, even for very big and very small numbers, that loop diagram. So it looks a bit primitive, but actually, it actually works quite well. I've used these on A-level papers before now, and the loop diagrams, when I've had kind of a bit of a brain freeze moment when it comes to a difficult decimal negative number. Okay, so that's expanding and simplifying an expression.